Maybelline Fit Me Dewy and Smooth. Honestly, this is the best drugstore foundation I've ever tried. I usually like a matte foundation, but lately have found that my skin has been covering both ends of the combination spectrum, and the foundation on my more dry cheek and forehead areas looked patchy, flaky. I love how smoothly this applies, and it covers well without looking too thick. The areas I need to keep matte, I apply setting powder to. The areas that tend to patch up or look flaky, I just left alone. This combination has made my foundation look absolutely flawless. It's well worth the small amount of money versus more expensive high-end foundation. Without a setting spray, this will likely transfer off throughout the day, but I found that a good setting spray will do the trick for that. Overall, for the price paid, an extremely good value.